Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Diwakar Singh. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to make e-commerce like homepage using Recyclerview with constant layout, making different orientation in Kotlin. So as you can see in this example, the first section is in the horizontal layout and the second section is in the vertical view. So let's start for making it. Make a new project, empty activity, then next let's take a name as recycler multi page or from home page. Finish. Now it is rendering and making the build. By set a console and check for the library. So in library we don't have recycler view. So let's copy and paste the name of the recycler view library. As I have already written over here, so I am going to copy and paste it to shorten the time of a view. So as the build has been built, now let's start working with it. We will sync now as I have added the library in it. Go for layout file to put the recycler view. This XML. Yes, I can see my build has been finished, so I can keep the recycler view now. Let's make it match parent, that content, and set it as constant. Go here, select it, set it to parent, leave the bottom one as already set it as wrap content. So now go for the Kotlin class. I'm going to take a sample data to show how it will look like. If I will not take any sample data, then the recycler will not show any views. So let me take the sample data. We'll make a sample data as list of list, like list of string. So let me add some data in it. Sample data dot add all list of, then again list of string. And first I will take as h item of one. I'm taking h just to show like I'm taking the horizontal sections item. Just copy and paste it. Vertical section. Change s2. Remove this comma. Then check for recycling as I have not mentioned the ID. ID for Recyclerview. Show here. Just set the adapter. So for the adapter, I didn't make the adapter yet. Let me name it as recycler adapter and pass the sample data in it. Now, how I want the recycler view to be look like it should be vertical scroll or horizontal scroll. So I am going to set it as vertical scroll. So set the layout manager as linear layout. Just pass the text in it. So, as I don't have this recycler adapter class, let's make it so we have I've already written the code in my doc file, so I can paste it so that the video will not be much longer. Asking for the import of these things. So it's still showing red because I did not include the layout adapter, but the error in main activity is gone. So now let's make this layout also. So we are going to take a text view and recycler view. Child recycler view in that first we will make making an item, then we will make a item for child. So in parent is asking for the card view. So I have not added the dependency of card view, that's why it was showing the error. Now it's added, has gone. Now what I have done here, I have taken a text view in XML first for the title of parent layout, and then card view in which I have mentioned the recycler view. So recycler view has three main methods. First one is item count for the number of layouts in the recycler view, and then second is for on create view holder, which will inflate the XML file which I recently made, this one. And then the third method is on bind view holder, which decides like what data should be applied on the views of this XML file. And last, this is the view holder in which we declare the texture and recycler view. So same thing we have done for the child adapter also. Item count, create view holder. Now it is still showing the error because we have not made the item layout for the child. Now let's copy and paste for the child layout. So what I have done here, I just taken the code in which we are our parent layout is constant layout. Then in that I have mentioned the card view. Then in that I have again mentioned the constraint layout, and then for the background I have set the image, and on top of it I have set the text view. It is showing the black because I have not copy and paste the image drawable folder. Let me copy and paste it. You can set any image. I'm just taking it for example. So now the error has been gone. Now again I'm going to give a brief description about it, like how it is working. So in the main activity I have created the sample data. Then the sample data is passed to the recycler adapter, which is by default as a vertical view. Then in recycler adapter, the data which I have passed, it is here, and then this data is going to pass in the onbind view folder. So with this condition I am doing the horizontal view and vertical view. So if the h item is present in the string file, the string like list.get position dot to string contains h item, then it will set as horizontal, otherwise set it as vertical. So and the child layout manager dot initial pfetch item count is equal to item list data dot get position dot size. And from here I will call the recycler child adapter with the data in it. So once the data pass into the recycler child adapter, it will come here and will set it here. So let me run this application. You can also create your own condition for making the horizontal or vertical sections. Like you can remove this and make it as like position is equal to 0. You want only the first one as a horizontal and the rest one as a vertical, or it depends on your choice. As I think it has been done, so here we are showing first one as horizontal view and the second section as vertical view. So many times we get the JSON as like this, name as top categories and the item fit, and items as top products and the items of it. So we can do the same thing over here, like folder dot text dot is equal to, you can set like this data dot get position dot name, and just pass the same thing over here. So like you have to either just name the arrangement of the items. So as I'm taking the sample data, it will not show. I'm just showing you like how we can achieve it. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment if you like this video. Bye bye.